Queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing? Oh, whatever. How y'all doing? Oh, whatever. Hey. Hey, Kings and Queens, welcome back to the channel. Yo, welcome back, baby. Okay, it's the girl AnekeAnnakay. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to my channel. Okay, if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my spa girl. What the hell is spa girl? Thank you for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do enjoy the content here, little baby, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, baby? So as you guys can see by the title, we're gonna go over our low income minimum wage budget for paycheck number 2, y'all. And this is the second half, y'all. We're in the second half of this month, child. Chalet, okay, baby, let's get into this budget, child, so you can see what's going on. Let's get all up in my business, as I like to say. So first of all, I ain't completed this October portion, but child, I said 50 no spends, baby. I'm 1 and 2 and I think maybe 3 for a fact, and we have basically like 15 days to go in the month, and I'm like, girl, can you make this 15-day no spend? We gonna see, child, we gonna see. But anyways, let's go to paycheck number 2 budget. So y'all, paycheck number 2, your girl is getting paid $1,553. Whoa, that's a lie. $1,753.58, and I checked, y'all. That is all I'm getting paid. Ain't no money coming out the woodworks this time. It ain't hiding, nothing, none of that. So that's my paycheck. That's it. That's all. Now, if you are new here and you don't know, your girl is trying to be on this minimum wage budget, and I do have a total income of $1,740 to work with. So anything that is in purple, I would have not used on my minimum wage budget, and everything else that's in black, that is a part of my norm of the minimum wage budget. So get into it, girl. So tithing would not have been made, girl, but tithes $176, car payment, that $400 would have gotten paid, and that's 65 cents. My dad, which is Merrick, he just would have been fresh out of luck. He ain't getting no coins. I have 82 cents going towards car payment as extra, simply because I like my bank account to say zero, meaning every dollar got a name to it, okay? And so even if it's a couple cents, child, it got somewhere to be, it got somewhere to clock into, okay? And then my credit card payments are paid off to be credit card debt free for the month of October. It's $427.11. We are paying it off to be credit card debt free, child. And so that came up to my fixed expenses of $1,104.58. Now let's get into my cash envelopes, because this is where, you know, we get into the meat and potatoes, the butter, the bread and butter, baby. So what had happened was, I had $339 to work with for the month, child, the month. And so this is the remaining, because I used $165 on paycheck number 1. Or was it $353? 165 plus 158. $323. I have $323 for the entire month to work with. And so I use $165 from paycheck number 1, and paycheck number 2 is using $158, which is the remaining coins off that $323. So groceries is getting $75, which I'm gonna need all of that. I'm gonna need all of this. Fuel is getting $40. I'm gonna need all of that too, child. Allowance is getting $20. Crown, nothing. Household, $5. Toiletries, $5. Clothing, nothing. Support a friend, nothing. YouTube, $5. Going out, nothing. Business, $5, and then miscellaneous is $3. We're not gonna take too long, but this is the remaining $158 that I had left to work with from my my $323 for the month of October on my minimum wage budget, y'all. So that is how this is broken down. And then around here on the back, you can see, child, $491 is for sinking funds. But what would have been a part of my minimum wage budget was home and car maintenance, and they only get $5 and $10. Travel is getting $20. Queen's B-Day is getting nothing. Fam B-Day is getting $70. And guys, if you watch my Jamaica updates, you know she took care of some of the girls. So I am fully funded for majority of my sinking funds this year. Or my sinking funds are no longer being used. So your girl is A-okay, and she can put a lot of her money towards her saving challenges. So as you guys can see, $316 is going towards my saving challenges, child, because I'm trying to finish out as much as possible this month, baby. So yes, ma'am and sir. And then my girl Money with Gab has her challenge falling for fall challenge, and I have $70 going to that. And that brought me up to a total of $491 in this budget breakdown. So your girl's income, $1,753.58. Let me make sure y'all seeing this good jazz, child. Let me make sure y'all see him, baby. Yes, y'all see him. My fixed expenses, did I put these in color? No, I didn't. Not for the budget. My fixed expenses was $1,104.58. My variable income, which is my cash envelopes, is $158. And my sinking funds, including my saving challenges, is $491. Baby, if you want to calculate it all up, you can do that. But child, it is zero. It is $1,753.58. So that is my paycheck number 2 budget broken down, child, to include what I would have paid if I was only using my minimum wage money, and also fully budgeting, child, my coins, because I will refuse not to have my coins budgeted and just sitting in the bank account. Like, I low-key get anxiety. So guys, quickly, so last paycheck, you guys know I missed $305, child, of my coins. So I wanted to give y'all a quick breakdown of what it is, and it is right here down at the bottom. So I put $74 towards my aunt and her transfer fee. I gave her $70 in transfer fee of $4. Child, Canva hit me. They got me, y'all. They got me for a year subscription because I failed to cancel. So if you have a subscription and you almost done with a trial, child, cancel, because they got $120 out of me for a yearly subscription. So that's that. Home decor, I bought some home decor, and a remainder of $59 was left, so I just used the extra $305 to pay for it. My insurance went up from $120.90 to $140.05 or $141.05. Child, it jumped. That's what it did. It jumped, okay? It was playing basketball and it was jumping and shooting in the hoops. I don't need it to do all that. I needed to stay where I sees it. But anyways, child, so that was $22 extra, and I was shocked because I went and I was like, okay, this is my normal, right? And then I go on there and they're like, nah, $141. See, this is why I can't owe nobody, or I can't owe car payments, because the insurance alone be getting on my nerves. $141 for insurance? Child, that's $500 that I pay just to drive a car. I need to not owe nobody this car. I need to get my title. And then lastly, I put $30 from this $305 to my girl Money with Gab falling for fall challenge. And so between this $305 and paycheck number 2, completed her challenge, baby. Okay, talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. Support your friend and complete their challenges, okay? Point blank and what? Period. Anyways, y'all, so that is paycheck number 2 broken down. That's all the good jazz of tea all up in my business. You know how it is. If you did enjoy this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessing, child. And don't forget, y'all, to subscribe to the channel. Okay? Subscribe, girl. Come into the family. Come to my good. Come to my annoying. All that in my funny, my hilarious, my doing me and talking to you. So it is what it is. If you do what? I already said all that. bring it back. But no, child, just remember, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real. So keep it real, sis, because what budgeting will do for you, okay? It's a quote. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you, child, in the next one. All right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.